In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate a line here in Canva. Now, this is going to work for Canva lines and also graphic lines as well. So let's go ahead and put a line on the canvas. We can do this by using the shortcut L on the keyboard, just like that. Now let's make this a little bit thicker as well, just so we can see this. Now to rotate this, all we want to do, even if this is a graphic as well, is simply click onto that line, and then we're going to see this underneath. Now if we click on there, hold it, we can then turn to whatever we want. So we can rotate this however we want as well. And if we look on that little black box, it's going to tell you the percentage of that rotation as well. So as you can see, it is really simple to rotate a line here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.